Hi, I'm Matt from James Latham, and today I'm here to tell you about our Latham Timber Manufacturing factory in Rochdale to give you a little insight into what goes on here. Previously known as Dresser Mouldings, Latham Timber Manufacturing, or LTM for short, became part of the Latham Group in 2019 and is our centre for cladding, architectural mouldings and machined timber products. This 50,000 square foot facility is packed with tooling and machinery for moulding, machining, cutting, profiling, sanding, coating. I could go on. Suffice to say, recent investment from the Latham Group has resulted in a market-leading service for direct LTM customers and also those of the wider James Latham depot network. And this customer profile is very wide, including interior fit-out contractors, cladding installers, door set producers, joinery and stair manufacturers, timber and builders merchants and more. Breaking it down into product groups, the LTM facility produces 4 key product types. Machined products, coated and uncoated, including our very own Wood-X engineered timber. Claddings, both coated and uncoated, in a range of finishes and textures. Architectural mouldings, both off-the-shelf and bespoke via our in-house design team. And curtain walling, a growing product group thanks to the surge in carbon-conscious timber building designs. So let's look at some of the departments that produce these ranges. Starting off here in the design area, our CAD equipment and what's more our skilled users produce faithful drawings of historic mouldings or brand new contemporary design ideas, cladding profiles or curtain wall sections for which our in-house tooling team then produce the specific tools for each job. Then over here in the production mill, we've got all kinds of tools from moulders and saws to straight line edges and other profiling equipment, all to provide you with the wide range of products we mentioned earlier, whether standard profiles or if you need something specific or even matched to an existing moulding, they'll handle that here too. And finally, over here in components, we have equipment for sanding, brushing, priming, spray and vacuum coating, spindle moulders, 3 and 5 axis CNC machines, a tailor press and everything they need to produce those intricately detailed pieces and cladding profiles. They use a wider variety of coatings from the world's leading suppliers here, including being the sole stockist of coatings from environmental wood protection specialist Sansin. To ensure the safety and well-being of the team, as well as a perfect finish on the products, all the equipment is serviced by a high-quality dust extraction system to ensure a dust-free environment. A great example of how this all comes together is in our in-house 2-time British Woodworking Federation award-winning finish line cladding collection, which takes a coir naturally modified timber, profiles, brushes or sands it, then coats it back and front in any one of 12 exclusive colours. The specific texturing of the timber clears the cells in the wood, which allows the water-based Sansin coating to penetrate beneath the surface, locking the coating into the grain, preventing the peeling, cracking and lifting of the coating found on many painted cladding products. It's all very clever and all done from start to finish right here. If you'd like to know more about anything I've shown you here, please visit the LTM website at tm.lathams.co.uk or email us at tmsales@lathams.co.uk or contact your local James Latham depot and we'll be happy to handle your inquiry for you.